Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Tonight I'm going to show you how to do an easy bow using 3 different ribbons. I have here a pumpkin that I purchased from Lowe's. It says trick or treat, and I have 3 different 1.5 inch ribbons, and there's going to be 2 loops each. The first ribbon I did purchase from the Dollar Tree and the other 2 I purchased from Hobby Lobby. Okay, I'm going to start with the Dollar Tree ribbon, and I am going to use one tail up. I'm going to do 2 loops, and I do pinch and twist and use one tail down. And I trim that off, and then I start with the next one. I just hold it in my hand and loop and twist. That is all there is to making a simple bow. I am going to use cloth covered wire I purchased from Hobby Lobby to wrap around the center of the bow, and I'm going to clamp it down really well and then twist it off like a bread tie. I am going to use the ribbon top to twist off. I'm not going to twist the actual wire. I'm going to twist the ribbon, and I'm going to use that wire and place it around the stem of the pumpkin and twist that off like a bread tie as well. Trim that and tuck it back down. Next, I'm going to fluff up my bow and I'm going to trim up my ribbon tails. I am going to dovetail them. This is so simple to do if you just wanted a pop of Halloween while you're passing out candy to the trick-or-treaters. Or if you just wanted something festive for your desk at work. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.